Hello my happy friends. For today's video, I'm going to show you, I don't know if this has been done before, it probably has, but I got kind of curious the other night. So, you know, I have a lot of these boys crochet hooks that are like this, and as I'm getting older, my hand's starting to hurt. So I need more crochet hooks that have a grip. So I was literally sitting here at my desk one night, like 2 nights ago, and thinking, what can I do? Well, I'm going to show you what I did, and I'm hoping that this is an idea that will help you if you're struggling like I did. And it's really easy. All you need is a hot glue gun and some hot glue. So let's change up this angle, and that way I can show you what I've done. Okay, so I've got my hot glue gun. I have all kinds of different glue sticks. I love glitter, in case you guys haven't figured that out with all the glitter I use. But I've got those, and so here's what I got going. So I've got 3 different hooks. Now these are hook sizes that I use on a regular basis. But again, like I was saying, I like the grip. So what I did the other night was I said to myself, I wonder, can I put hot glue on my hook to make a grip? And so I did this. And I think it looks really cool. I also, with a Sharpie, I wrote on the hook itself in a bolder print that this is a 6.5, so I can still see the size. And then after I got done doing this one, I was like, well, I got these glitter ones, so I did this one. Not as fancy, but it still works. A nice little spot for my thumb. I've got a good amount of grip right there. And because, you know, it's kind of like, it feels rubbery, so it's not going to slip in my fingers. So I actually afterwards did a couple test runs, and it was comfortable. So we're going to make these ones like those, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So currently right now I have gold in my gun, so I'm going to do this one. And I literally, all I did was, first you want to take the Sharpie. This is a 6.0. So writing it bigger makes it so you can see it through the glue. And then this side I just kind of traced what's the pressed, the molded part that's already here. So it's not fancy, I know, but that side will show right through. So I just held the tip, picked a spot, and because I do hold this spot all the time, I do have to cover it. But I literally just start turning it. Now, if you do decide to do this, I advise that if you are not the type of person that handles warmth, to wear something like an UV glove or some kind of a mitten, because once this crochet hook starts to warm up, this part right here gets pretty cookie. So I personally love heat, so it doesn't bother me. Alright, so now I'm just gonna sit here and hold it. I don't have any kind of fancy contraption to hang it or anything, so I'm literally just gonna hold it until it cools down. Okay, so the one thing I didn't do was I didn't experiment with the glitter cover, the size marking, which, I mean, I framed it in this one, but I didn't write it on the back, and I can't see it. So once this is cooled, I'll have to take the Sharpie and write it so I know. Which actually, there's a gap right there. There we go. Blow on it, help it cool down faster. So now I'm just kind of going through, and any spots that I see. So I really think this idea is going to help me not have to buy new hooks with grip. Knowing that I have so many of these, I can just do this. And honestly, my glue sticks, I've bought these little glitter ones at Dollar Tree, so I mean, I don't even know, how many do you get in this little, let's see, I have the glue stick packet right here. 12 glue sticks for $1.25 to do this little DIY, little at-home project instead of buying brand new hooks with grips. I think that's financially a pretty cool idea. Plus it's cute and you get to do it your own way. Because I really like the way that looks. I think it looks cool. And so far I'm really liking this one now too. There we go. There you go. That looks so cool. It's just me, I guess. I don't know. Tell me in the comments below if you like this idea, if you think this is pretty cool. I think it is, personally, but I mean, why not? It's gonna save your hand. So let's see, I've got some silver in here. Let's see, if I start the silver on this one and I work my way down, finish it. Oh, that would be cool. Unless I wonder if I have a red hook. Let's see. I do. I have a red one. So this one, because everybody knows how much I'm patriotic, red hook, the silver glitter, followed by some blue glitter. Let's do it. And this is an 8.0. Oh, let's make sure that let's see. Let's write right here. Now the question is, over time and using these hooks, will that Sharpie last? That'll be the big question. Okay. All right, let's do this one. This one is a size 8. Oh, it still has some gold in it. Oh man. I know, not a good idea, Nick. Well, let's see, there we go. Okay. If I'm gonna put gold on, I'll start the blue. I'll let the gold go on that. And then once it starts pumping silver, this one I'll just do random. There's my silver. Okay. So I'll have fun with this one. I'll let that cool. Hello, my happy friends. Like my leggings. They are so cute, right? They're super soft. So, wanna know where I got them? There's a website, and it's called miniactivewear.com. So you go onto this website and it's going to give you this, oh, I see you're in the US, because they are in the UK. You click on continue and you can browse their entire line of fitness wear between bras, tops, leggings, and shorts, and they've got all kinds of colors and designs. I, of course, fell in love with the red ones. So I would say go on over, check out their website, find a pair of leggings that you love, but it gets better. If you use my promo code Nicole77, you'll get an extra 20% off your entire order. So head on over to miniactivewear.com and use promo code Nicole77 and get 20% off. All right, so I got the silver loaded. Let's do this. There we go, red, white, and blue. That's fun. I like it. I have a feeling I'm going to be using this one a lot because it is a size 8 and I make stuffed animals. So with the chunky yarn. So yeah, I have a feeling this one is going to get used a lot. So you gotta try not to touch your ends because it'll turn ghost white. I don't want that. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. Okay. Oh wow. That is so fun. So there you go, you guys. We're gonna let this one cool. Oh, I have a hole. All right, let's see if I can get that hole patched. There we go. Cool. Yep. I like it. Yeah, these are fun. Okay, you guys, so just a quick video. Hope you don't mind. Also, tell me what you think. Do you like how these turned out? Do you think this is a good idea? You know, the first two. So now I've got 4 that are like this, and I think it's fun, and it's going to definitely bring a lot of color into my crochet book. So if you haven't yet, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like the way these turned out. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so YouTube will let you know the next time I've uploaded a video. Until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.